everybody, Stevie here from Never Too Late to Travel. As I told you in my previous video, if you'd been watching it, that I'm down from Bangkok to Jomtien for 3 days, and I've come down to one of my favourite hotels in this area called the Cosy Beach. And if you ever come down this way and you're looking for really good accommodation at a very reasonable price, with a number of excellent facilities that are virtually on the doorstep, then this might be the place for you. It has its own little private beach, and there is two sides to the property. One of the hotels is on one side of the soy, and the other one is on the opposite side. Both are served with breakfast rooms at either facility, and there is swimming pools at both ends. So what I hope to do is give you an idea of what's on offer, should you care to take up my offer and come down and see it for yourself. I'm going to take you for a walk around the grounds. I'll show you the room that I'm actually stopping in, and I'll show you some of the nearby facilities, which are excellent. From the larger of the two buildings, there is excellent views out to sea, and there is a nice little pathway that will take you down to their private beach. So let's go and have a look, and I'll show you what this place has to offer you. So this is the main swimming pool at the biggest of the two buildings. I would say that this side is actually the main complex to the hotel. So lovely big swimming pool, and excellent views out across to the island. I think that one's Koh Larn. And as you can see, very nicely set up. Really nice relaxing place to come to if you're ever down in Jomtien. And with the situation of tourism at the moment in Thailand, some very good deals to be had. And this area here is the main breakfast area for this side of the complex. Very clean, very tidy, and very efficiently managed. I suppose you could say this is a picture postcard corner where people come and just take their photographs. And you can see excellent views out to the sea. Really nice pool area. You know that rainy season has come to virtually a close. There isn't much need for the indoor facilities when people come for breakfast, but when I was here a few months ago during the rainy season, people could actually come and sit in here and have breakfast if the main cafe, the breakfast area was full. Extensive grounds, really pleasant to walk around. This place that we're going to see now is the Sky Gallery. I don't actually know whether it's owned by the hotel, but it certainly has some strong connections, and it's a great place to come and eat and drink and take in the sea views and just watch the boat travelling across the island. And as you can see, it's a very large area, and it caters for a large number of people. And you can see there a lot of people there just chilling out and watching the sea and people swimming and doing little bits and pieces. So this is the extent of the area. As you can appreciate, it is a very, very large place. And beyond this one, but not connected, is the chocolate factory. If you spend a certain amount of money here, you will attract a discount if you spend a certain amount. So this is the Sky Gallery, and just a quick view of the rooms in the hotel at the background there. Very, very pleasant seating areas. And believe it or not, the number of people here right now are not representative of the numbers staying in the hotel. There's very, very few people staying in the hotel because it's midweek. So these are people who have actually come down to eat and drink, either from the local community or people passing through. Lovely views out to the sea. Plenty of seating area in the chocolate factory. You can sit and chill out and watch the boats going to the islands. And I'm not going to go down there, but you can see for yourself there is steps that lead down to the beach, and that I'm led to believe belongs to the hotel. And it's actually called Cosy Beach, and that stretches on, goes right up around the corner. I remember a few years ago this place used to be really, really busy, but because of this COVID situation, as you're probably aware, there is a lot of tourists who are actually not coming to Thailand, so not many people around, sadly. Hopefully things will change in the next few months. People are starting to come back into Thailand, and some of the rules and regulations have been amended to make life easier for those that want to return here. So what we do is we'll have a walk, and I'll take you through the main building and reception area, and we'll cross over the road into the building that I'm actually stopping in, and I'll show you my room there. The breakfast area is actually called the Chow Lei restaurant, and I think you can go and dine there in the evening should you wish. Getting ready for Christmas, put a small decoration out there. And this is the main building and reception area, which you can see is quite large, and really, really nice seating areas. Again, take an easy chair and sit and watch the boat traffic and people in the pool, with a cafe bar there. So this is the main reception area, and as you can see, it's of a reasonable size, well decorated and comfortable. So this is the front of the main complex. Little water features leading to the reception when you arrive, and again more outside sitting areas. And this is the other half of the complex, so we'll go for a walk there. So you can imagine, the place is fully booked over the this coming weekend, so you can imagine there's going to be lots of people here. It's got a very, very good reputation, and it has a good quality of service, and people will come back for it. Before I show you my room, I'll show you the swimming pool and where the breakfast area is. Again, a lot of seating to chill out. Nice fish. Very, very relaxing. So again, another seating area here, and more water features on this decking. And unlike a lot of hotels, they do actually keep the water fairly clean. A lot of the pools you see in hotels are just left to stagnate, and it's such a shame because they spend a lot of money setting them up, and then they don't maintain them, which is a pity really. You can get the towels here should you want to go for a swim, and this is the pool area for this side of the complex. And as you can see, there is one foreigner. I won't call him a falang, I don't particularly like the word, but there is one coming in, and young lady enjoying the beer. So as we walk past the swimming pool here, this is the chocolate factory, again from this side, and the sky gallery. So it's very hard to see where one starts and finishes, but they're virtually closely knit, for want of a better word. So this is the view from up on the decking down to the chocolate factory. Later on I'm going to make another video of the Three Mermaids, which is just along this road here. And there you have it on the side, the chocolate factory, Pattaya Cosy shop and restaurant. Yeah, Sky Gallery, really nice place. And Chocolate Factory equally. Ladies there enjoying a few drinks on the balcony. And this room here is the breakfast room. Which is reasonable size, and everything you need with sufficient seating. So absolutely great. And very good selection of food for breakfast. I think you'll agree with me, it's a very nice hotel. So I'll take you up to my room and let you have a look at the accommodation that I'm in, and see if it would be suitable for yourself should you want to visit the area. So this is the room that I've taken for the next 3 days. Actually already moved in and set up my computer and put some stuff on charge for later. Quite a big room, nothing fancy, but great for me for what I want to do. I don't need a double bed. I've got a twin, which is fine. There's only me in the room, so absolutely fantastic. And balcony. There's a little bit of a view out to sea, but not too much. The view is basically the car park. But great staff here, lovely clean room, quite a large size as you can see, and basically all that you would need for a couple of days. So the room, I think, is for what we're paying, fantastic value. Comes with breakfast as well, and Wi-Fi, and all the mod cons like the aircon, etc. And the last time I stayed here, I found it very efficient. It was very cool at night. And there you have a view of the bathroom through the sliding doors into the room, including a bath and a shower and toilet. Great, these sliding windows, easy to actually film. So overall, very happy again. Should be comfortable here for the next couple of days, and I hope you found the accommodation something that might suit yourself if you're ever down this way. So there you have it, a quick look at the Cosy Hotel Beach Resort here in Jomtien. I hope you found it interesting enough to probably take the time to come and visit it. I think it's well worthwhile, and with the current deals on, you might save yourself a few dollars. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the notification bell for upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great time. Bye bye.